How's your car running?
District 2 be advised, units are in pursuit of multiple vehicles, now headed eastbound on Bond Boulevard. Thompson will pass this over to Ops Channel. Stand by.
Suspect heading north on Lennox Road. Dispatch, these guys aren't going to stop. Send all available units to assist.
Copy that, Bravo 2-1. I'm clearing units right now.
This guy just ran into me. He's trying to push through. Now we got a traffic collision.
Be advised, vehicle west ECB. Squadron should be set up in the surrounding area.
Hey, there's something wrong with your ride. You left a huge oil slick at the start line. You have to end the race fast.
Hey, do your thing. Hey, fresh out the house, got the beat. As I ride up and down Martin Luther King Drive, standing tall, looking down. Boy, snitching all day, I look around on the block.
I'm in a silver and sell 5 pound on the block. Ain't you ever seen a young player clown in the draw? Ain't nothing to a G. Spit fluently, groups are pursuing me as if it's more than two of me.
Money my Chevy earned, and Tuesday is ocean blue. 28 sit over you, Ferrari drops and Rover school. You sit them out, TVs I'ma flip them out. 50 bang, tell them ship it out.
Coming down, shining rose gold, feeling like a Mac pose. Cadillac with 5, make these suckers hate mode.
Hey, it's me. Check out your map.